Under the sky so white, our stories bloom. Mountains whisper, a river resume. Oromuma in our blood, our beating drum. Horses gallop where our fathers roam. Golden fields, the cattle's home. Every breeze sings of who we've become. In the rhythm of life so wide. Coffee brews a tale in every sip. Hands weave patterns, threads never slip. Our culture flows like rivers never dry. The elders speak their wisdom aflame. Each child learns to carry the name. The stars align in it, the Oromo sky. Roots run deep in the ground.